night, y'all. So we are at the Queen's Park Savannah tonight. We came out for the view. I'm here with the lovely Nishali, and there's basically street food and different tents and things going on in the Savannah when the afternoon night come on. I actually saw it in Steffi's vlog a couple of weeks ago, and I said that, hey, I want to bring Nish and them out here to take it in. People literally speeding though. But enough chit chat, just enjoy the vlog, enjoy the scenery, and we're going to get some ice cream as well. Hopefully soursop finish. More pylori, smoothies. Good night. Stop pinching. Pure cane juice. Gyros. Awesome. About 50.
You like that?
These better than that. They like to bite these ones.
Yeah, this one.
So this one?
She bump it like that. And the crumb.
Nah, she go mash up the crumb.
Yeah.
Hey, don't put it in your mouth. No, same thing as you. Right, she watching the vans up passing. Don't leave her to know, she go send that running. Yep. See what I tell you? Just have to find new ice cream now. I know you don't know to get your prize. Burgers. nice.
mini chocolate cake for 20.
Thank you.
Everything baked by me, man. Really nice.
Nice, nice. Custard.
Hi guys, chocolate love cake.
Oh, look, they have pulori over here again. Hot pulori, butter popcorn. Good night, good night. Wait now, she pull off the headband again? You know it is? No, right, yeah. You go sit on the walk. I see that no way. When I see that you drop that higher up. I actually walking back to the next side. You gonna try it? So you don't want the ice cream on here?
This is ice cream.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Alcoholic. Woo! I see. I go in and continue walking and come back, right? Oh, let's see something. It's fallen. Why didn't play back? Okay, let's keep it coming on. You seen more things I want to try? And now say by the time I go back to get ice cream, you go eat out the ice cream, so I'm sure them where you get. What is that?
A little nitrogen ice cream.
Look,
Moscato.
blue Moscato.
Moscato.
Alcohol.
With strawberry and topping.
Nice.
Strawberry sauce.
How it is? And
This is good.
what was the price?
35.
35. So I now cross back the bush there and head back inside. I actually had to run outside because I got a notification from my GPS, something with my door, only to find out that the vehicles and them passing so fast, that is what caused the alarm to be going off. So came back outside and now tasted the ice cream. I liked it. I tasted the alcohol and I find it had a little sweet and sour taste. It, as you all know, your boy don't really consume much alcohol, but I'm going by next tent what's supposed to sell ice cream, and I should be getting a simple ice cream. So I try to capture what I purchase, but it really nice being down here. You should check it out anytime in Port of Spain any night. Ever taking the coconut carts and thing around the Savannah? How they just design it with the gate and the little silver wheel and thing. It does actually look pretty cool. I walk up and down 3-4 times and I see the ice cream man and the snow cone man let me know. Yeah, snow cone. Nah, but they like here some with the rain and the bad weather and thing. Not everybody came out, so I ain't enough with no ice cream. I guess snow cone. I showed her washing this cup and she like, way Jacob, I'll bake up ice cream. But it's really snow cone girl. Snow cone. But Ole, let me jump in the car. Alright, Nine, tell them how was the experience tonight?
But I didn't like it too much. Now them places have too much generator and noise.
Oh gosh. Nesh, how was your experience tonight?
It was good. It's just next time we actually had a plan to come here, you know, to do a better walkthrough and actually, you know, kind of take in way to sit around and way to screen on that kind of way. I want to do that.
So you want to do it in the daytime?
Yeah. I'm sure hopefully when the door has so much people.
It go on always have people, and this is a little bit compared to how I expected it to be, because people was actually practicing social distancing, lining up and those type of things. They had on the mask. I was like, after seeing it in Steffi vlog, she did a little clipping and I was like, Nish go in and like this place, Nish go and enjoy this. And she always liked the Eddie Hart thing, and I was like, when she go see all the different carts and things, it go inspire she to go places and eat in the Savannah. She told me we had to get a whole $5,000 all. I was like, grocery? Yeah, she not know. She tell them what the old man tell you now. Ole, we like, Ole, hear the joke, right? So we went together and we buy this ball for Nine, right? And I and Nine playing with it, and when I run away for the car alarm, here what you telling Sheena? What you telling you?
What you telling my boy? Or how you're nice with the size girl. Sorry. Cause alright, you're nice with the size girl. So I didn't hear him properly the first time now. So I said, okay, thing, Bobby, he had some little other light up thing. I thought no rather what I like, but she like it. And that's why I went back for. So like when he realized I didn't catch what he say, he said it again. Alright. He said it again. So I was like, what? I said, okay, thanks. Then he's like, yeah, don't put no more size. You're real good. You're sexy with the size that you have. I'm like, boy, you and I tell him, Jacob, I say, why not give me an old man with some money who tell him that? I tell him, don't come back. Let me get the old man little money. No, sorry, let me get the old man number and then, you know, just run some dust.
What went on it? While I run back to make sure nobody interfere in my vehicle. All of this going on, and take no, the man see me cheap before, yeah? Because all how we was there, I see it in the vlog. But Ole, thanks for spending the night with us. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog. And I'm going to end it now and ask Nish to film us driving around the Savannah. Hopefully, we get a little clip and painting for it. But see you all in the next one. Bye. Say bye-bye, Nish and Nine. She can push us asleep one time, not in that. Go in the bed. She sleep today all day. This one actually have a whole coconut tree growing at this side there. Oh gosh.
They're driving too fast, so you're coming all the way blurry. I know that's what you're saying, not focus, but